Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So we have started another project. So this is, I'm not actually supposed to be here today. I've done a lot of other bits and bobs.
You literally snuck up on us, didn't you?
I did, I snuck round.
Literally down in the hole and you're literally just standing over us. Looked up and said, whoa, what are you doing here?
You see, I like to freak the boys out. So what we've got going on now, there is a kitchen extension that we're doing. It's a little bit weird because my parents' house is literally there, so they're going to keep a watchful eye on the team. They've already seen my mummatron this morning, haven't you?
Yeah, waved at her out the window.
Yeah.
Well, she waved at me out the window.
Yeah, little floozy, knew it. So Dad'll be watching this and he'll know. Right, so better explain the job. So I'm going to get Sean to explain more about his actions here, what he's been doing, because like I say, I've basically had no involvement in this as we speak. So Sean, what have you been doing?
Basically, footings straight away. So we've got here, we've marked it all out. We've got the footings probably over 3/4 dug now. So, you know, we're a little bit late.
Thanks to me.
Yeah, righto. So we've replaced a little bit of the drainage because we've gone through some pipes, which we're supposed to anyway, but there's a manhole just down here. We're going to reduce that and just
AKA
basically...
inspection chamber.
Yeah.
Old school manhole.
Old school manhole. Yep. So we're literally going to be replacing the pipe in that and just getting away with that and putting a...
Because you can't have that manhole in the
Ideally
actual,
not,
in the
no.
extension, because
No.
that sucks, and that's a pretty naff job.
Yeah.
Yes, so you've also been doing, so you've been altering these and put some temporaries in.
These are literally just temporary. They ain't even in existence anymore, so they're old.
I say we're learning together, guys, because I've not had, like I say, I've turned up, been here an hour-ish, something like that.
Yeah, so we've basically completely replaced that pipe. That was all clay. Went through it with a digger.
Classic.
Demite.
No, that was, hang on. We need a full disclaimer, I haven't hit anything yet. So
No, not yet.
There's always time, there is time.
So yeah, it was going to be replaced anyway. However, so that's what we've done. We've replaced it, and we're down roughly 1 metre to 1100.
Okay, so about the footings over there, Shawnee.
They are actually 900 deep, the house footings.
Oh,
so
original house footings, okay.
Yeah,
so you have to go underneath that, is it?
Yeah, well basically what we're going to do is just go down to the designated depth, which is 1 metre, and which is what we are. So we're, we've got probably about 200 there, so...
Oh, okay. So this bit here then, Shawnee, so that original pipe there, what are you going to have to do on the build process?
What we'll do there is shut around it so there's no concrete over it.
Okay, yeah.
And just pea gravel over it and then just build straight over it then.
Nice. So is that as in with lintels bridging it?
Yep.
Because you're not allowed to build straight on top of that, are you?
No, you're not, so yep.
Because that would be a little bit naughty, wouldn't it?
Bridge over that, so
no is that
stress on the pipes.
You see that collar there?
Yep.
So that is where the original clay pots join together, isn't it?
Basically, they're roughly 1 metre length
sections.
each one of them, yeah. So there'll be lots of them sections all the way through.
All the way through. And are they joined with like? Is it like a bitumen thing? We're going back to old school.
No, it's usually just pointed in.
Is that all it is?
Yeah.
There you go. So I like to have a bit of a lesson on there. So what is the actual end game on this one?
In what way?
And what's happening? So just kitchen to there.
Kitchen extension. We've got a utility going in here, so washing machines and things in there. You know, utility stuff.
Right. Okay.
There's a dividing wall going here, and it's literally just a pitch roof, just a lean-to.
Single pitched roof. You got any velexes going in?
There's 3, I do believe.
Oh, there you go.
3 velexes. So yeah, we'll. Promise, Mike, we'll do some more filming on this to keep everyone up to date.
The reason why, like I say, this is going to be a very short video, to be honest, but what I said, we had a little bite to eat after I snuck up on them, and I says, right, what's going on with the filming side of things? Because people keep mentioning what's happening with the construction side of the
We're
YouTube
basically
channel.
an electrical firm.
Yeah, that's pretty much what people are thinking right now. And so I said, well, are you filming today, Shawnee? And he said, yeah, I'll film. And then literally walked around and I went, how's the filming going on? And so I haven't done any. So hence the reason why we are now doing it,
So I'm going to have to dust the camera off and see if it still works, because it hasn't been on for probably best part
genuinely,
of a year.
you forgot how to turn it on.
I did, yeah. I'm not very tech savvy, so...
Tech savvy and all that. Like, I'm going to be honest, there's 2 buttons on the GoPros and he got the wrong one straight away, so we did have a bit of a giggle. So access-wise, we've got quite a narrow access here on the job.
800.
So 800, this is why we've got the micro digger in.
And this micro is 780.
Lou?
760.
760. So we've squeezed it round. The problem is with micros, they're better than digging by hand, but they're quite unstable, aren't they?
Yeah, very
in fairness.
jerky.
Yeah, so there is a bit of old squeaky bum time when you're on that.
Could you try again?
I will try. So, but yeah, on that note, like I say, we're going to get digging, and then hopefully, because I've only got a little bit of time and I've got to go off to do the EICR. So, but yeah, so I thought we'd give you a bit of an update. Okay, so I've got to go basically. I've got to go and do another test. So an EICR in a flat. So I just thought I'd give you a bit of an update of where we're at right now. So there is actually a drainage pipe just there, Sean, isn't it?
Yep, it's actually encased in concrete.
So is that why have they done that in concrete? It's old school, protecting the clay.
Old school, yeah, it's protection, but it's not the best. So that's why these days you wrap it in basically pea gravel and stuff. To any movement in the earth, it won't break the pipe.
Ah, there you
So
go.
that's why you quite often get breaks in pipes.
Oh, okay.
So yeah, it's an old school trick, but it's not the most effective.
So we've got this little corner there. There'll be a little bit of a hand dig across here and digging a little bit by hand for where that pipe is. So when you're looking at concrete, hand dig.
I'll get that with the digger, mate.
Well, we'll see. So, well, you'll see next time. Anyway, whether we did it on hand or not. But
maybe.
But when's the concrete?
Friday. It's now Wednesday, so we've basically got 2 days to take out a corner, finish off the drainage, and get prepped. We've got to get a big mound of soil out the front gone.
Yeah, there's a lot going there. Grab wires coming in for that. So yeah, so lots to be done, but yeah, not bad at all. Good progress. So like I say, little short and sweet video. This man is going to be doing lots more filming, aren't you, Sean?
Promise. Touch wood.
So hopefully you'll see a lot more of this particular job moving forward. But yeah, hope you enjoyed it. And if you're still not subscribed, make sure you hit the link in the corner, turn your notifications on, and you'll get a little message to say that we at Greenhawk, this guy, has dropped another video. So enjoy. Thanks for watching. Take care.